Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're ready? Put the Apple Watch SE snugly on your wrist so the back sensor sits flat. Loose fit skews results. Once done, wake the watch and unlock it. Make sure watchOS is current to avoid menu differences. Now open the heart app from the app grid or the dock. This starts the measurement flow. You'll see a heart icon. Tap it. This first step engages the optical sensor and prepares the watch to record your heart rate reading. You'll tap heart rate to get an immediate current beats per minute, BPM, reading. Stay still and keep your arm relaxed for roughly 10 to 20 seconds so the optical sensor can stabilize. Motion introduces noise and can spike the number. Once the watch shows a value, glance at the small labels. Current, resting, and walking averages give context for activity. If you want more detail, scroll down to see a short history and any irregular rhythm notifications. Those help you interpret trends over time. After you take a reading, save or note it and repeat if needed. For activity use workout mode so the watch applies motion algorithms. To confirm accuracy, take another measurement seated and after 5 minutes of rest, consistent numbers indicate reliability. If readings are missing or wildly off, stop and troubleshoot. Wipe the back sensor clean, adjust the band tighter by 1 notch, restart the watch, and recheck wrist placement on top of the wrist bone. If problems persist, contact Apple support for hardware checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.